The Lingual Octopus platform helps kids in learning reading, typing, and language through interactive readers. Each reader contains 10 pages. At first and second level, there is 1 word per page, while in next levels, a gradual increase of words per page. You can listen to the words, record yourselves, and mainly practice typing in 3 levels.
Dog.
At the copy level, where you've got the word, the image, and the sound, typing within the blocks. You cannot make a mistake. Each block can contain only the right letter. Dictation, without the word, only listening to the sound.
Dog.
And retrieve, without the sound as well, only the picture.
Woohoo!
There's another level of reading in which there's no picture and only the word appears and the sound.
Dog.
You can type here as well.
Woohoo!
You can choose a default mode in which you can choose the level that you want to work on throughout the reader. Let's say copy. You choose the copy and press apply. And now all the pages are going to be at the copy level. If you want to move to dictate, go to default mode, press dictate, and apply. And now all the pages will be under dictation.
Chicken.
Donkey.
Bird.
At the bottom of the page you can find dots here. You can skip the pages using the dots, moving up and down according to your need. The Lingual Octopus is a simple, rich and efficient system. You can try it for free. There are 5 books in different levels that you can try. Let's try the colors. And then the next step is to purchase. Start learning. See you there.